A higher air conditioning unit that is not cooling properly can be caused by several factors. One possible reason is that the unit installed is too small for the space it is intended to cool, as a small unit will not be able to effectively cool a large room. To correct this, it is necessary to get a unit that is the right size for the space. Another reason could be that the unit is placed too close to the wall, which can hinder its ability to cool effectively. To rectify this, it is essential to create some distance between the unit and the wall to allow for adequate clearance. Additionally, the unit may be set to the wrong mode, such as dry or heat mode, which are not intended for cooling. To address this, it is crucial to ensure that the unit is set to the cool mode. A dirty filter can also affect the flow of cold air, so it is recommended to inspect the unit's air filter regularly, at least once a week, and clean it if necessary. Furthermore, gaps in ceilings or windows can cause cold air to leak out and hot air to enter. So it is vital to inspect walls and ceilings to identify any gaps and seal them. Leaving windows open too often can also be a problem, so it is best to keep them closed as much as possible. By addressing these potential issues, it is possible to fix a higher air conditioning unit that is not cooling properly.